Hey everybody, welcome to Corozal Town, Belize. I'm here at the local Gabriel market and it's a very sad day for me. This year, you remember this place? This is where I ate the cochinita tacos from the old Yucateco guy who used to have his stall here. Well, he was in ill health and I was still in Merida and I knew I was coming to Corozal and I thought I'm gonna go to the market. I'm gonna buy him a hat like this because he likes his hats. I noticed lately he didn't have a hat, so I thought I'd buy him a hat. That night I got a call and they said he passed away. He died. He was 90 some years old. He's gone. His stuff has been like this for the last few months. He hasn't been coming to work anymore, hasn't been making his tacos. And he's gone. My good friend is gone. I'll put his picture right up there. Put his picture and I'll have a link to his videos. He made the best cochinita tacos in Corozal. Right there. It's so sad. I was gonna go to his house because I knew he was in ill health, so I was gonna go to his house and drop the hat off for him and say hi and hey, it's my friend. This is my friend Don Felipe, you know. But sadly he's gone. He is gone. He'd be missed by Manny because his tacos were so good. Check out the video I made with him. I'll put a link in the description. They were so good. And well, life goes on. He was in his 90s and he did what he loved pretty much to the very end. So I didn't buy the hat because, well, they called me the night before. I was gonna go to market in the morning. That night they called me and they say he passed away. So very sad day. His funeral will be today. Maybe I'll make it to the funeral. I don't know what time it is or where it is. I'll look into it. So we're here at Taqueria Noemi. So we're gonna eat our tacos. We always eat here during the week, and usually on Fridays and Saturdays we eat with Don Felipe right there. But those days are over. Guys, let me go show you something else on a happier note because it's very sad. I was heartbroken. I was so heartbroken when they told me about it. Very heartbroken, but that's life, guys. Huh?
Everything's okay.
Everything all right? Yeah. How you do? Good?
Well, not perfect, but I won't say half or I say like, man, everything is just
Yeah.
down low, man.
Yeah.
I'm busted right now.
Busted again, man. Thing is rough. No work, no nothing.
Nothing. They messed up.
Yeah, but you good for hustling, so
No, hustling.
sell coconut and
Even coconut, they're wrong.
ain't that right now?
No, but do only things maybe show only garbage from someone and get any dollars, but not much.
Alright, I'll give you a leaf fix up later. We just reached, so I know you got a dollar in my name. Yeah.
I don't only handbag.
I got pesos. I still got pesos in my pocket.
I take pesos.
You take pesos?
Yeah. Even though they don't give me exact amount, but
Oh, I got $1 too.
okay.
All I got left in my pocket. Yeah, I want to show the people with the watch.
Tell them what,
show them the
start
park.
a new invention, yeah.
Yeah. See how the new park. Take care, man.
Yeah, I will buy when I come back.
Next come back time. All right, guys, we are here. Huh?
Cents a pound.
Really? Wow. We are here at the Central Park of Corozal Town. Look at that. It's being ripped apart because it's being completely renovated. This park it's an old park. It was put here, I think it was after the hurricane. This is bust Santiago Recalde. Felipe Santiago Recalde. He was the area representative here in Corozal back in the day. So this park here, it's old. So They ripped everything apart and they are going to rebuild a new park. I guess this is gonna stay. I think it's gonna look good. Look at that, but a lot of people are complaining because oh, they messed up the park. Well, you have to mess up to build something new, right? The fountain used to be there. Looks like they're gonna keep that centerpiece. That centerpiece fountain that was donated to Corozal by Mexico. So I guess they're keeping that because that's historic. I guess they're gonna build something new around it. It didn't work most of the time. So this here, guys, is Corozal Town. Now what are they doing here? I don't know. Hello. Putting up some kind of building. Has plumbing, bathrooms. Let me see if I can talk to some of the guys. Maybe they'll know. Corozal Town Hall is back there. Right next to it is the Seventh-day Adventist Church. That's the old clock tower. Wow, that needs a paint job too. It's gonna look good. I'm pretty sure it's gonna look really good when it's done. So here then, guys, I'm mixing up the cement.
Right now we're doing a little quiet project.
Yeah, so you know the jam hard.
Yeah, man, I need you to the back now, check.
Yeah.
Check, Bob. Yeah, live show.
Yeah, exactly. So what they build right here?
They build a shed to the back.
Shade?
Yeah, the shed.
Oh, the shed.
Yeah, the shed.
Oh, a shed with bathroom and everything.
Yeah, man.
This-
Live show.
No, this a video come out later by YouTube.
I YouTube the plan.
Yeah. So you said this is gonna be a shed? He said this is gonna be a shed. I don't know. I'm gonna go to town hall. It looks like it has plumbing, so it's gonna have probably toilet facilities. I'm not sure. Guys here mixing up the cement. Yeah, man. I think it'll look good when it's done. I think it'll look good. People are rip us because they broke up the park, but when it's done, it'll look good.
Yeah, man.
You can't make something look good without broke up the wood.
Yeah, you have to start back from the rebel.
Start at the bottom and work your way up.
Yeah.
That's true. So how long you been working already? Good while now already? Wow, yeah, great. Yeah, you have to work. If you don't work there, get somebody else to do your job and then you're not gonna work. So the guys, they're mixing up the cement, man. Look at that. Alright. From Corozal?
Yeah, my Corozal.
I'm from Corozal.
Oh man, I'll trick me.
Huh?
I'll trick me. I'll get my big man over the road and I'll phone it in.
That's me.
Are you?
That's me.
I know that, man.
Yeah, that's me, that, yeah.
You're my world tour right now.
I'm on world tour. I just come back from Asia.
Oh man, so good
I've been in India, Thailand, and Sri Lanka, and Vietnam, all in countries.
man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I toured for 10 months. 10 months I toured that side. Now I'm back to Belize again and Mexico.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't like Belize, Corozal.
Corozal are the best. That's my hometown, right? Yeah. That's true. Right, yeah. Exactly. Yeah. It's tight everywhere in the world. I travel about and everywhere tight. Nowadays. I know it's hard. So then build a shed like a round kind of shed like that, or they got a model like that at town hall?
I don't know. I didn't my idea for. The engineer and the architect. Know them. I don't know what they want.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's the boss, eh?
Yeah, man.
Maybe I go see here and see what he tells me.
Yeah, man.
Alright guys, these guys are hard at work here. And this is what's going on. They say he's the boss. Maybe he's gonna tell me. Let's see if you talk to me. He's busy. Now they're getting ready to pour the floor. Look at that. Let me go over on that side. I want to find out what's going on here. Gonna be interesting when this is done, guys. This is a major project. I really wonder what this building is gonna be. Wow. I feel like he's running away. Maybe he thinks I'm criticizing, but I'm not. I'm proud. Hey, what's up, dude? Yeah, he's running. How things good?
Yes, man.
That's good. You guys got a good job, yeah, man. Long term job. Cool. Huh? I just come back today. Actually, last night. Yeah, no, a few days and then gone, and I come back again. And so what do you want to build right here? Bossman, yo. Bossman. Yeah. A lot of people are criticizing this project. So probably he doesn't want to talk to you. A lot of people that criticize where they go on, yeah, so maybe that's the way Bossman don't want to talk to me. I want to ask her what they're going to build here, right?
Dorm.
Oh, down dome. Oh.
Dorm, yeah.
Oh.
70 by 35.
Wow. Oh, like the music and things like that. Whoa, that one's cool. That one's very nice.
Lone cement casing.
Yeah, lone cement casing. Wow. 70 by 35. Wow, this is going to be great, guys. Here are the tiles. That's the tiles from the old bandstand. There used to be a little bandstand here back in the days. So it's going to have a big dome like that. Big dome. They're going to have bands. And the plumbing, you know what? They got sewage or not in here too? Toilets? Oh, great.
Guest room right in there.
Oh, like one guest room?
Yeah, guest room.
Oh, dressing room. Oh, dressing room.
Yeah,
Oh, cool. Cool. They've been working on this like 4 months already, they say? 4 months, you say?
Yeah.
Wow. They're gonna put all new sidewalks, everything around, everything new.
Yeah, everything like
Yeah. New lights, new everything. This, guys, is gonna be great. This is a major project. So they're gonna have washrooms in that there for the people playing music and that. I like it. I like it. The foreman or engineer or whoever he is, he's there, but he don't want to talk to me. He probably thinks I'm here to criticize the project. I'm not here to criticize the project. I'm here because I think it's a great thing that the town is doing. This park is old and it really needed a refurbishing. It needed refurbishing really bad. This is gonna be great. So they say they're gonna make a dome right there like that, where bands can play, with bathrooms, changing rooms, dressing rooms. Wow, nice. A lot of work. It'll be interesting to see what they do with the fountain here. Guys, this is Corozal Town. Corozal Town, Belize. Hey, and you guys watching from Corozal Town, living somewhere else in the world, let me know. I take a walk to the edge here, show you some more. Got these old trees like that. I'm glad they kept that one. They knocked down a few trees. They have to. You gotta knock down some, right? Progress. Progress, you have to knock down what's not needed. That over there is a St. Francis Xavier Credit Union, but I think it's not right in there right now. I think that's being renovated too. Belize Bank is over there. The courthouse is back there, but that's also being renovated. So this town it's gonna be like new, man. It's gonna be like new. Everything getting renovated and beautiful. I am happy to see this. I'm happy. I remember as a young guy, they had benches here. We'd sit on the other side in front of the church, sit on the benches, just watch people going by, you know, gossiping with the friends. That's gonna be really cool. Good old clock tower. Actually, the tower isn't that old, but you know, it must be what, 30 years old or so. I guess that's gonna be repainted, refurbished, probably put a new clock in. I don't know if the clock is running or not. No idea. Right across the street there's the post office and the treasury. The courthouse used to be there, but that's being refurbished, so we're gonna get a new one put in there soon, I guess. And this is the taxi stand. Only one taxi here. There's no Uber or nothing like that in town. Just taxis. Hey! See the taxi union here. That's the old Haddad house. They sold it, it's Chinese now. But my friends used to live in there. We used to hang out up there all the time. Guys, this is pretty neat. Yeah man, yeah man.
Yeah, man, direct straight from Corozal City.
Exactly.
Yes, sir, that they respect.
So how things go? Good?
Well, when I right there, I just come off for the work and thing, and you know, watch a nice park when they do a thing. And
I think the park will look good when you done.
Corozal very sweet and nice, man. And just like all the time and come visit up.
Exactly.
We got a nice beach, we got everything, yeah.
Everything that
Peace,
Corozal.
Hey, I would have straight to this yard.
Yeah,
Respect that,
exactly.
Let's see.
Take care then.
Yeah.
See, people here are super friendly, guys. Super duper friendly. This is a grader, belongs to the town. Here's it to fix the streets. I've never seen a grader inside. I'm gonna take a look. All right, okay. Yeah, I've never seen a grader. Guys, I just met the mayor and my camera went off because it was overheated, so I didn't get on tape. Anyway, I asked him if he has a picture, a drawing what the park is gonna look like, and he said, yeah, let me go get it for you. And he disappeared into the office and he never came back. Hey, he never came back. So I'm back out here showing you guys the park. Yeah, I think it's gonna be nice. I think it will be beautiful. So this is Central Park of Corozal Town. I don't have a picture to show you what it's gonna look like when it's done, but I think it'll be nice. It's a lot of money being spent here. It's gonna make the town beautiful. A little disappointed that I couldn't see the picture, but that's life. And the foreman over there, he keeps running away. Probably thinks I want to badmouth the park or something. No, I'm proud of this, man. I'm proud. I'm proud of what they're doing in this town. It's a lot of money, but it's gonna look good. It looked good before. It's gonna look better now. Whoa, look at that big motorbike. So there you guys had it. Try not to trip there. A little tour. Whoa. See, I just about tripped on that crap. Of the Corozal Town Central Park. I hope you guys enjoyed it. For you people who lived here in the olden days, I know it's going to be enjoyable. So how many of you hung out in this park back in the day? And it's going to be brand new, shining, fancy park. See you guys, thanks for watching. Until the next video, bye bye.